What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I do these videos every single month where I give you guys exactly what I'm invested into for the past month, and it's not anything new. I haven't made any brand new investments, and that's why things have been kind of flat because I haven't decided to throw new money anywhere. But what I like to do is give you a portfolio update to show you where I am, how far I've come, and also maybe complain about a couple of things here and there. But let's do that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys are interested in leverage trading. I have a platform where I'm going to show you guys all about Margex at some point within this video. But this portfolio update does not include my Margex portfolio, nor does it include the copy trading portfolio. I'm only looking at what I'm holding outright, not what's being leveraged. Now, again, if you guys are interested in leverage trading, 5x leverage all the way up to 100x leverage, feel free to click that link down below at the top of the description. Now, let's go ahead and take some time to dive into this. I want to first start with one of the videos that I created, and this is going back to September like 8th or something, or actually September 9th is when I decided to upload this. But it is a portfolio update where I had $166,000 in there, and I was up at that point for the past 24 hours, $5,000. So in a full month, where have we gone from here? So let's go ahead and dive into it. If we go to my coin market cap portfolio, well, first you're going to see that crypto is not really at the best time right now. It's down a little bit. It's down to a $2.14 trillion market cap. We are seeing that Bitcoin's decreasing a little bit more than a lot of other altcoins that are out there. So that's good to see, because that means that altcoins are starting to make a little bit of a comeback. We want to see altcoin season, and that's primarily what I'm invested into. And when I say primarily, I mean all of it, right? I don't have anything in Bitcoin, so all of it. It's not just primary, everything. So with that being said, let's look at those positions that I'm invested into. If we go up to my portfolio, I did edit this here. I haven't made any moves. I haven't sold anything. I haven't bought anything. So right now we're sitting at $167,000. Increase of what, about $600 over the past month. Now, it's been up and down this past month. Actually, it's been down for a long period of time, but then, just started to recently, make some bigger moves, or make some moves back up to where we were. Now, I'm a little bit torn because in my portfolio, before we get into like the breakdown of all of that, I had a total of $260,000, over a half of, sorry, not a half, $250,000 that I had in my possession in cryptocurrency. And if I would have sold at that point, I would have had $260,000 to reinvest at whatever lows. However, that's not the game that I'm playing, right? The game that I'm playing is more of an investor's mindset, right? Where I am investing into plays. I'm investing into crypto because I believe in the future of crypto. And I also believe in the short-term aspect of being able to make money. That's why I'm invested into a lot of altcoins rather than just investing into the cream of the crop, or the top, which is Bitcoin. So while you see me at 260, it goes down to 200, goes back to 230, and then all the way down to 150, and then back up to 160 or 170. Yeah, it fluctuates quite a bit, and you could see that within this time frame if we look at the last 90 days and how much it has fluctuated, right? If we look back to even July, we saw this at $206,000, and then it decreases very fast all the way down to 147, increasing back up to about 190, 192, decreasing back down, increasing back up to about 200,000, and then now you see it down at this level of 167. So the fluctuation is real. The fluctuation is crazy, and as you can see here, it's not really giving you a full picture of it, but it was above $260,000, even though it doesn't say it here. It's going by whatever the cutoff time frame was, which was in maybe if it was by week, And if it's by week, within that week, if it went up to 260, came back down to 240, that's kind of what you are seeing there. But 200, even just looking at that, $240,000 all the way back down to 160, obviously it's not the best thing that you want to see as a person that's looking for consistent growth. But cryptocurrency is not like that. Right now, it's still speculative. So a lot of people that believe it's going to be just consistently upward and they're not going to see any downturn, or even the people that are timing the market, you guys are just doing it wrong and viewing it wrong. Cryptocurrency is speculative. Cryptocurrency is, a lot of people are going to look at it and go, maybe I shouldn't, maybe I should. Businesses are not looking at it the way they look at regular currency. And eventually it will get to that point. And once that does happen, we'll see a lot more consistency. But right now, we're not seeing that. So that's why I went down to 160 or even 140 and definitely low levels. Now, if we go and look at some of the positions that I have most of my money into XRP. I have 90,000. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I have 90,000 XRP. Technically, I have 100,000, but I keep 10,000 over in my Ledger wallet, as well as having CRO at 370,000. You have Jasmine Coin. I have 1 million Jasmine Coin at $18,000. I'm up 14,000, almost 15,000 on that. Litecoin, I'm down on that by 1,300. Avalanche, slightly up. Solana, I'm also up by 1.4K. Down on BNB, down on Grok. I'm still up on Terra Luna Classic, which I don't believe that I'll ever be down on that play because of how early I invested. Wish I would have invested a lot more, and I wish they would have given me the opportunity to do so, but my bank decided otherwise. But anyways, I'm down on Harvest Finance by 700, down on Krill by 700. I'm up on GameStop by, it says 19,000, but I'm actually up by like 30,000. So I don't know why that's the case. Anyways, Teller, I'm up by, down by 2,000 API 3, 1,000 down, 300 for Cardano. Book of Meme, I also am down about $2,000. Cosmos, 1,000, Beam, 1,000, Swiftcoin, 2,000. So you can see that a lot of them right now, I'm down a significant, some of them a significant amount. Some of them I'm up a decent amount, and I've taken profit from some of them. Some of them are just unrealized gains. Some of them are unrealized losses, as you can see with Kronos and how low that price is at 7.5 cents, and I'm down $17,000 on this play. That is a lot of a drop. Yeah, it's not something I like to see, but I understand the future of crypto. I understand where CRO is going to go. It's going to be worth way more than 12 cents. And honestly, it makes me want to buy more here, but I just haven't bought more cryptocurrency. If I do buy more cryptocurrency, I probably would say it would be Kronos. Definitely to get me up to 400,000, maybe even 500,000. Would love to get to 1 million Kronos, but I don't know if that's going to be the case. Anyways, that's where my portfolio is. So a total of $167,000, down $1,293 in the past 24 hours. And this is up over last month by about $600, maybe a little bit more, but about $600. And I'm expecting to see so much more of an increase as we move along, as we get into 2025 and we push past 2025 into 2026. So can't wait to see what my forever coins are. I also can't wait to see what my profits end up being as we move through 2025. So let me know what you think about where cryptocurrency is headed. Also, let me know where your portfolio stands. Don't think that I'm showing these numbers just because I want to rub it in and show you guys that I'm making so much money. That's not the case, because technically with CRO being one of my biggest losers, I'm losing a bunch of money, right? Down $17,000 from where I decided to invest a boatload of that CRO. And honestly, if I would have invested a lot of that money at a lower price, I would have a lot more CRO, but that's not the way that, investing works all the time, especially if you're dollar cost averaging in. So I want to show you guys that my profits are real, my losses are real, and ultimately we're going to get to a point to where crypto is massively adopted, and we're going to see a lot of success. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about crypto. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for Margex as well as the link for Trade Assist. I'll catch you guys in the next video, though. See ya.